this is Abby and welcome to my channel. Join Miss Dita as I try to vlog. This weekend, we're headed to Bataan. Let's go! Left the house past 1 p.m. and we're just stopping over for some snacks to eat on the road. So the road trip to Bataan took us around 2 hours. And here we are, we're just enjoying karaoke and the scenery while we're at it. So stay tuned. Finally, after what felt like a century, we're here. So we were welcomed with gorgeous sibills. That's what they were called before. We're in the Spanish era. On this building, the white building that you see, we headed to the second floor for the reception.
30 pesos daw yung
Grabe naman sa 30 pesos. 20 lang yan. Grabe naman kayo. Here, we're enjoying the first jeepney ride of my nephew, Enzo. After checking in, their jeepney, the main mode of transportation within the resort, took us to the parking lot. That way we could pick my brother-in-law, who drove the car there. And then we were shuttled to our room, which is about 5 minutes away from the reception building. This Jones Bridge here might be a replica, but they were the ones who made the post of the original Jones Bridge. Settling in our room, we went to Casa Lubao, that green building over there you see. That is where we arranged our tours for both island hopping and also to check on the schedule for the heritage tour, which is, by the way, complimentary if you're an in-house guest. Here in the center, ano nga yung name ng part na to? Basta. Kasi kakain kami dito.
natin ang kusina ni Nanay Marmi.
Wet sa pawis, carry lang. As close pala.
pa daw to?
6 pa ito, tapos 6:30 ihaw-ihaw, and then ulan daw doon sa may church.
Okay, tara.
Daw. Ba't may isa na daw?
Nangalayayat na po. Yung Pearson.
What's the one at the church?
Yan yung sabi. I think that's the one. So, they're still under construction. Where? Hi. Pagod ka, girl? Ayan na siya. Kuya, pasakay. Ang layo pala. The Italian restaurant ba yun? Italian restaurant? What? Anong sabi? Come on, Enzo! Tawi. I see the light. Good afternoon.
Ah, wala magdadrive. Bago mo na mag-isa na yan.
And that's the church. We'll attend Mass tomorrow there at 10 a.m. I think it's up. Ah, 2 kids pala. Okay, sige. Ay, ang lamig naman dito. The hunting. Ah, yun lang pala. First page lang siya. And then, let me borrow. What? Chicken na naman. Bumukha ka ng chicken. May pizza din sila. Anong nasa front niyan? Let me see. Ah, it's the same. So, while waiting for food, I give sound because the bread is already served. Anong i?
It's even more.
Ha ha ha. Smile. Smile, hindi ganyan.
So we're done with our late lunch / dinner. We're just taking photos because look, the sky is very good. Right?
We're just walking around taking photos. That's our worst sunset. Gusto daw siya mag-TikTok, guys. Sige na!
Going?
Yeah.
Just walking around after dinner, enjoying the beautiful view.
Walking around. Papunta daw kami ng downtown. Anyway, we'll enjoy first the view and taking lots of photos.
So, at pagpanggalang mga na nagpabagsak ng mga puno sa paligid ni Manila. Kailangang malagpasan ng dugan ang mga pagsubok na ito upang tuluyang mapipit at mailigtas.